So today I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades on an Audi A3. If you look, you're not going to be able to get these up without hitting this, so we have to put them in service mode. Make sure you close the door, start the car, turn the car back off, and what you're going to do is just pull down on this. I'll show you this. Now they stay up and you're in service mode. So just pull them up. So to take these off, you're going to push down on this button and you're going to pull up. The whole thing comes off. And I'll put a link in the description below for replacements. If you get your new ones, come over here. They snap right back into place. So we'll do the same thing for the passenger side. I'm just going to push down on the button, lift off. So you get the new ones. Got to make sure they're all the way down and they click in place. I always like to pull up on them, make sure that they're not going to come loose. All you do then is put them down. Take the rear one off. Put it up in that position. What you're going to notice, you just kind of like pull this. Pops right out. It's got a little stud in there. Goes across. So then to put that back in place, just going to line it up, snap it back into place. Then you just put it down. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.